Today we're jumping on to our day 2 in installing our precast. It's a limestone, but this one is a precast type. So I want to walk you through what we did so far and what we're about to do today. Then we're gonna jump right into the video. So on our first day we did this much. We did over here and we also did over that side. I want to take you over there and show you what we did over that side. See, we go right up to that. Then we're gonna work our way right up to the door up here, and afterwards we're gonna come over here and we work our way around here. This is how much we did on our day 1. Finish over this side. Not bad for one day, guys. Down there I did have to make a little bit of stepped over, being as I didn't have enough concrete ledge to rest my stone onto. As you see, because it's a precast, you can see it's not like the original limestone, but this is how the homeowner like it. But as you see, we're gonna work our way all the way up there. I'm just waiting to get the precast that's gonna go over the garage. Okay guys, so I show you around. So I show you what we did so far. I show you what we're about to do in today's video. With no further ado, let's dive right into it. Before I jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Let's get started. This one here we're using all-purpose sand, federal white cement. Start on this side section here. There's not a concrete ledge. There's no concrete ledge here, so as you see, I anchor my my angle iron into the foundation. We use some long bolts, go all the way through, and as you see, we anchor it right here. Also want to squeeze some PL inside. You put your air washer and your nut on the outside. This is how it's gonna be. Now I'm just gonna put my just put a little bit of weeping plastic over it, just so that we don't put the mortar right onto our angle iron here. And then we're gonna go ahead and start. Just gonna put some weeping plastic here now. Right now I'm just plumb it up right now so that we can see if we're 4.5 inches. So we need to be 4.5 inches from this wall over. Right now we're way too much. We need to go in more. You see, I make a plumb mark up to my 4.5. Same in line was over there because we already catch that side, so we have to work up to come right up to our 4.5 from the wall here. So I run a line from here, go all the way down there, so that way we can have our wall nice and square. And go all the way over there. Everything look nice and square now. Here's perfect the way it is. Just have to just work. Some line, just gonna finish up this section here, and then we have to run some 45 nails. Yeah, I cut that. Okay guys, so as you see, I set up my weeping plastic, put my tuck tape. Now we're gonna start it to run the pieces, the same pieces like we started over that side. You want to have the same thing here, so that we have the same lining go right across. You see as I go, keep on watching. These guys are overlapped. If you want to make sure you overlap it, just pull it down like this. Throw them all right onto her. Right here now, that's gonna head up to the, gonna leave a weeping hole right in the corner here as guys, later on we're gonna put veneer. Later on, we're going to put flagstone right here on our pouch. So this small piece that I'm putting here now, it won't show. If you want to see that video when I'm installing the flagstone, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified. So you can come back and watch that video. do here, I'm just gonna mark for my sills. My sill is 4 inches, so I'm just gonna mark 4 3/4. Oh, see, right there. Oh, it's gonna be tight. So this is where we're at now. Up this side. Install our sills. I'll just keep going.